Once upon a time, on the golden sands of a vibrant Jamaican coast in 1980, lived Nadine, a spirited young woman whose heart beat in rhythm with the rolling waves. She was a dedicated beach lifeguard, her eyes always scanning the horizon, her spirit fierce and caring. Every day, she'd stand tall with her bright red lifeguard shirt, ready to leap into action if needed, but her favorite part was simply being by the sea, feeling its warmth and listening to its stories. One sunny morning, as the Caribbean sun painted the sky in hues of orange and pink, a new face appeared on the beach. It was Daryl, a strong and kind-hearted lifeguard with a smile that could brighten even the gloomiest cloud. He was new to the island, eager to learn and eager to help, and from the moment Nadine saw him, her heart fluttered like the palm trees swaying in the breeze. Daryl was quick to notice Nadine's confident grace and warm laughter that echoed over the waves. One day, as they both watched the children playing and the boaters enjoying the sea, Daryl struck up a conversation. They talked about their dreams of protecting lives, of the ocean's magic, and of a love that felt as endless as the Caribbean Sea. With each passing day, their bond grew stronger. Nadine showed Daryl the secret spots where the fish danced beneath the surface, and Daryl shared stories of his adventures. Their friendship blossomed into a joyful love, filled with laughter, warm sunsets, and the gentle caress of the ocean breeze. One evening, as the sun dipped below the horizon, casting the sky in fiery colors, Daryl took Nadine's hand and whispered, "You're the true treasure of this coast, Nadine." She smiled, her heart overflowing with happiness, knowing she'd found not just a partner in life, but a soulmate among the waves. And so, on that beautiful Jamaican beach in 1980, Nadine and Daryl's love story became a timeless legend, an inspiring tale of warmth, joy, and the magic of finding love where the sea meets the sky.